Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE, and I am back with a new series which is basically just going to be quick styles. So I'm starting off with freshly cleansed hair, pretty much like I always do, and we are going to go ahead and detangle these strands and go through the process of doing a perm rod set. You guys already know this is bae. So I'm really just speeding through this because once again, it is a quick style and we're worried about the finished look. So after I actually take down the perm rods, what we're going to do is go in and use an oil to separate them and help prevent frizz. So we're going to get like this really cute curly afro. And of course, you could leave it like that. But it's a style, but it's not really the style that we're going for because we're going for a quick style. Like a really quick style. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and take down all of these perm rod sets and get this cute little afro pop in, shake it out, pick it just a little bit, add you some volume, but not too much because if you go overboard, it's going to get really frizzy. And even though it's a quick style, you don't want to really ruin or disturb the curls. So grab you some bobby pins. I think y'all call these something else, but I call them bobby pins. Grab some bobby pins, create a little kissy curl on the side. I don't know what these things are called, but that's what my mother used to call them. So they're going to be kissy curls today. And then we're just going to pull the hair up and start to pin it. Use as many pins as you want. It is completely open to you. So just pin it so that you have this nice little side swept look, but it's done on short hair, so it's the illusion that your hair is longer. And for this particular style, I would recommend not using any edge control. After you pin it, you're just going to fluff it to your desired look, and hunty, it is a quick style that is finished. So in the comments below, let me know if you like this new series or how you feel about this style, and I will see you in my next video. Bye babes. That's not how I end my videos. You already know what it is. Bye!